Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations.
She's here with her daughter, Sherry.
Hi. And this video is going to be a little bit different because we literally made all 3 videos for the Bella Rose quilt box. And my phone didn't save any of them. So, of course, I've put up products and everything else. And the very first box has no list of what came in it. So, it's all a guess. So, I'm sure that more stuff than this came in it. I just don't know what came in it. But let's just start and we'll go from there. So, we have a Peacemaker.
It came in a bag like this. And it was waterproof. I mean, it feels waterproof. It's not a cloth bag.
Right.
Like a reusable shopper. Oops.
So, there's the Peacemaker pouch.
Excuse me.
And the treat was a cookie. I don't know what shape it was in, but since these boxes are over a year old, the thing was crumbled, but the box had never been opened, so it did all that inside the box. I mean, I didn't have a mouse in it or anything. There's nothing up here. And then there is this, which is the My Spring House. I do not know which one it is. It's the one that has the bunny blocks on it, and didn't it have something else?
The house?
I don't know. Hold on. I can't even part the paper.
Nope, just the
Nope,
bunny.
it looks like it's just the bunny.
All right, then. Excuse me. Well, it says My Spring House.
And the border flower is what it's got on it, because that's what that is. So that's that. And then the pattern that came with the fabric is called Buttercup Bed. It ends up being an 84 by 84. There's an optional border on it. All right, we had a little interruption. My phone is low, so I had to stop and plug it in.
So what did we miss?
I don't know. So this is the Buttercup that the fabric came with it. Okay, let's see. Oop, there you go. Those are cute little buttercups too. All right, you want to show the fabric?
Sure.
Okay.
Yellow, and that it's one piece. So what is that? The border, the back.
I think it was the very top.
Oh.
I think the top was yellow.
All right.
It's a solid.
So here's the fabric. There's green. And again, you're going to have to help me with this.
Purple or lilac, because these are spring colors. Think flowers in the spring with a bunny rabbit.
And I missed that one, I think. There, the flowers. What was the first one? Little bitty white flowers. I didn't hold it up long enough.
Oh, okay.
Sorry about that.
That's all right.
And then we did purple, and then this is like a pink purple or something.
I think we were saying roses, but then I think
The carnations, right? With this one like
could
that.
be carnations, yeah.
All right.
Oh, the fabrics are pretty this time of year.
All spring.
Mm-hmm.
Spring is always pretty.
Yep. Well, that's when it's rejuvenation.
Oh, that was it for those.
And that was it.
That pack.
Right.
And then
There's
these
2
are
packs.
the darker, deeper colors, I guess.
Yeah.
The mustard yellows.
Oops.
Nope, I did it on purpose. Huh?
Okay. I wasn't sure what it was.
Fabric. Oh, that's what I'm showing. I thought you gave me a look.
No. I was looking to see.
It's fabric.
I feel like there's hardly anything in this box. I mean, I don't know.
It was a light box. I have to admit.
It was light.
You didn't get a ruler. You didn't get a. What was your tool? Didn't you get a tool? Didn't you get? Or was that in another box?
That's another box. There was no tool in here.
Well,
I mean, it also didn't have what it said comes in the box, so it could be missing things for all I know. I don't have any idea.
Well, it is a year old, so it's not like you're going to get a replacement for it.
Well, I would hope that they double check the boxes when they send them.
Okay, and that was it out of
the
that
price of
little
the
pack.
boxes. And we will lay it all down here so you can
And
see
this came
everything
with the 2, so something came in there.
The pattern came in there, I do believe. All right, I'm going to lay it down here so we can see everything that I've got. Here's everything, and we did fail to mention the pins. They were in this box also. These straight pins here, and they are glass. So if you accidentally put your iron across them, they will not melt like the plastic ones do. There's the pouch. Here is the pattern. There's the My Spring House with the bunny. And then there's your fabric. And that's the bag she was talking about. That's the waterproof bag. And this was the other bag that had the thing in it. And like I said, we trashed the candy, so don't worry about that. It's just candy. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, make a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you for the next unboxing.